give you a lot of information, of course, about
Yes.
us.
That is
The-
useful.
Yeah, the background of our study.
Challenge time.
Yeah, and
Review
our
time.
favorite
Yes.
song or something like that.
And our activities, so many things. Today, what we are going to talking about?
Today we are going to talk about English literature. Yes.
Oh, our major.
Yeah.
Okay. My name is Melissa Angelia, and simply my friends call me Smells. Okay. So I'm studying about English literature in Airlangga University.
Yes, Saraswati. People usually call me Vika. Same with Melissa. I study in English literature, Faculty of Humanities, Universitas Airlangga, and I'm in the 5th semester. We're gonna tell you about the reason.
The reason why we choose English
English
literature.
literature. Why don't we choose another major like
Mathematics,
yeah
economics.
or medical program, something like that? Okay. First, maybe from me, the reason why I took English literature major because since I was in elementary student, I love English very much. I don't know
Why
why.
we are same? Why?
Really?
Why do we have the same?
Okay. What about you, Mel? What
Uh,
is your reason?
okay.
Just
Since in elementary school, I already joined in some competition, and then it's
what kind of competition that you join?
class English Olympic, right?
Okay, and
Yeah, and kind of like that, and that still continue until when I'm in junior and high school. I also join in like English debate competition. That's why that's the reason, the main reason, and also because one of my idol is study abroad in in
yeah, for your
England.
information, guys, Melissa is really she's a big fan of Bidang Ketawa, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to explain to you what is English literature
Yeah.
is.
What
Because
comes to your mind, guys, when
Yes.
you first
what do you think about
Yeah.
English literature? The definition is
English literature
yeah.
according to you?
For me, for for me, English literature is not only talking about how you study English well.
Yeah.
That's not how you study English well in
Yeah,
English
I agree
literature.
with that.
Yes,
Stand.
because many common people who don't know what is English literature is they always assume that English literature is how you studying and speaking English well.
Yeah, sometimes
But that's-
some people may think that in English literature we only study about the basic skills in English such as listening skills or maybe
Grammar.
vocabulary and something like that. And for your information, guys, it's not only about that.
There are a lot of things we are
Yeah.
studying about that.
One favorite part
What's your favorite one?
is poetry. I don't know, I like poetry
Oh
so
my
much.
god, don't you know that poetry is really
Yeah, I like to analyze.
hard,
I'm
know.
really curious with the how to analyze poetry well. What about you?
because I love to write a story and reading a story. So my favorite my favorite what's the subject
Yeah.
is prose, English prose. That's all.
Why do you like prose instead of there are a lot of theories that we have to use to analyze?
Yes, don't you realize that someday we will use
Oh yeah, guys, we are in the 5th semester now and we are
You can't
taking
find.
prose 2 and also poetry 1.
Yes. And also for your information, studying English literature is not only how you speak well, like what you know, like do you know Sastra Indonesia, right?
Yes.
Sastra Indonesia is not studying how you speaking and what is called speaking and reading Indonesian well, but also a lot of things, right? That's just same as English literature.
And the key success in English literature is you have to read a lot. That's true. At first, I don't really
Understand?
like to read. Okay.
Okay, after we are talking about the reason why we choose English literature and what is English literature itself, now you want to know, right? right was the major focus
Yeah.
of our major.
At first, we want to explain about literature.
Yeah.
Yeah. In literature, actually, we study a lot of things, such as poetry,
And
prose.
novel,
Yeah, we dealing with those subjects.
what
For
is-
example, in poetry, we learn about how we interpret and how to analyze the poetry itself based on some uh, categories,
Yes.
such as how can the poet wrote this poem into
Oh
beautifully.
my God, Shakespeare really.
Yeah,
Really
one of the
hard.
famous poets is
Comes
William
from
Shakespeare. As we
Shakespeare.
know that one of his famous work is called sonnet.
And the second is linguistics.
Linguistics.
Do you know, guys, the
Actually,
fact-
I don't really like
yes,
this.
me too. I
Because-
don't really like. That's for genius people only who
Yeah.
can count, and then
Because in linguistics we deal with some with mathematics subject,
yes, like statistics,
statistic and
and like what is
yeah,
EPP? What is EPP?
EPP, English phonetics.
Yes, phonetics.
Phonology.
Videos with sounds.
We deal with sound, how,
How
for
we
example,
pronounce
how
the
can we
words.
pronounce the word A instead of
The third about
cultural
yes,
studies.
cultural studies. That's actually similar with English literature. I mean the literature, but a bit different.
Yeah, we focus
With the-
more
with the object.
with the object, with the informants.
They are dealing with films
yeah.
and something in our society that happen in our society, like fandom,
Fandom,
and what else?
media studies,
Media studies.
with the theory from Gramsci, hegemony. We dealing with that.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do
Okay.
you know, guys, what we are have choose?
We
We
decided
are
to choose literature.
literature.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's really.
That's really
close with us.
close with us.
Okay, you guys already watched, right? What is our reason, what is English literature is, and what is the major
Major
focus.
focus.
And unfortunately, this is the end of our vlog for today.
Yeah. If you want to watch
Another video
uh,
and want to know us more detail, you can give us like and
don't
then
forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
subscribe.
Because,
Subscribe down below.
Since this is our first vlog, we know that maybe there are some still mistakes or
Mistakes, some minus.
yeah, or maybe we have to learn more to give you a lot of information
Information.
for the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.